service has been amazing. He is like a silver service waiter. He's fabulous at that. He's done something different and he's tried his best. That was the most loveliest cooked salmon I've ever had, and I meant it sincerely. It was lovely.
It was served with a combination of different grains along with grilled courgette, so together it was lovely.
My poached egg was a little bit overcooked. I like it to sort of, if I cut into it, to sort of run and go.
Oh dear, Fliss isn't happy. Back at the table, psychological profiling continues.
So what would you say is the biggest misconception people would have about you?
Somebody once said to me, it's all right for you. You can stand in front of 300 students. You've got charisma, you can do it. It must be easy. Yeah. No, when I'm about to teach a new intake of 300 students, I get anxious and I get nervous and I worry about things.
What about you, Fliss? What's the biggest misconception about you?
I think people obviously perceive me as quite a girly girl, which I am. But I live with a woman.
You've got absolutely nothing to worry about.
The difficulty is you wouldn't have to come and go, I live with a woman, or I live with a man.
At the end of the day,
you wouldn't have to say anything, and that's why it's hard.
can I just say something?
Go on.
So two things. When we first met, I actually thought you did.
I thought you lived with a man as well, John.
Well, this is getting awful. I'm not a macho stereotype. I'm not, I don't work out every 5 minutes. I'm not covered with tattoos. I don't swig beer. But it doesn't mean to say that you're that way inclined.
Because I also thought